Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph or whatever it is, a picture, bitmap of these letters, and they want to know how you would do this to make it look like they were laying on top of each other. Well, to me, they really don't in this one. I've done it like this, where I actually think the letters look like they're on top of each other. And then I've done it like this. It's kind of the same, and you could change the thickness of the line to make it something thicker. And then there's some like this that more or less like the original. Now my font is different than theirs. I actually think this one makes it look like they're on top of each other. Uh, this quite possibly would be the easiest. So I'm going to do this one first. I am going to left click, right click, and I'm going to go ahead and go to object and break them apart. I'm going to go ahead and go to object and convert them to a curve. And then to make this effect, all we'd have to do is take the Smart Fill tool and use that color that they use. And I know that's not important. But now we can make a black outline and make it quite a bit thicker. And now these are one object, or we're going to make them one object. So we're going to go Control G, Control G. So I'm just getting in every individual letter. And then take this O, and if we hold down the control button while it's moving, and then hold down the control button while it's moving, you got to move it first. It looks like they're on top of one another. That's, to me, going to be the best way. This is almost as easy. It's a little bit more difficult, a little bit more tricky, but I'm going to do it in part 2 to make it look like this. But I think that's the one that's going to work. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching.